Hi there, welcome to my channel. My name is Daniella and I'm thrilled to have you here as we embark on an exciting journey into the world of artificial intelligence. If you're a business owner, entrepreneur, or just someone curious about how AI can revolutionize your world, you're in the right place. In today's rapidly evolving digital landscape, staying ahead means embracing innovation, and that's where AI comes in. But I know it can feel overwhelming. That's why I've created this channel, to simplify AI, showcase its real-world applications, and help businesses unlock its transformative potential. Now let's talk about how I work. I follow a straightforward yet effective four-step approach to AI transformation. 1. Basic education. This is where it all begins. I'll provide foundational knowledge on AI through videos like this, posts on X, formerly Twitter, and even ebooks. The goal? To empower you with the knowledge you need to make informed decisions. 2. Use case discovery. Once you're familiar with the basics, I'll guide you through identifying specific areas in your business where AI can make the most impact, from automating repetitive tasks to enhancing customer experiences. 3. Implementation. After identifying the opportunities, we'll create and deploy AI solutions tailored to your unique needs. Think of it as turning ideas into action. Remember, AI is not a set-it-and-forget-it technology. I will also ensure your AI systems remain effective, secure, and up-to-date as your business evolves. If you're as excited as I am about transforming your business with AI, make sure to hit the subscribe button and turn on notifications so you don't miss any of the value-packed content I have planned. And if there's a specific topic you'd like me to cover, drop it in the comments below. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Remember, the future is now, and together we're going to unlock it.